And welcome to Apna Gaurav channel. So I hope your preparation is going well. Stay focused because this month is very much important. And now I will discuss your phase 3, that how you can prepare in September month. Okay, what should be the strategy and what are the things you need to do compulsory to get our selection. So now we are in phase 3. I hope you already completed phase 1 and phase 2. If you didn't watch the video, then in the comment section you will get the playlist. Just watch all the videos, right? Now basically in phase 3 you will complete whatever remaining chapters that I will show you. Okay, so first is obviously syllabus completion, that is by default, correct? Next thing very much important, that whatever we complete so far like phase 1 phase 2, okay, that revision should be there. It is not like that you will forget the thing and you will just focus on phase 3. No, revision of phase 1 plus phase 2 is most important. And for revision, currently our block 3 is going on in our success pack. If you didn't join the success pack for IJ common cadre, then you can join success pack. In the comment section you will get the link. Okay, so block wise strategy and plus your telegram. Okay, so whatever daily telegram PDF you are getting, I hope daily you are practicing. If you want, see, basically it is not easy to get the selection. Okay, it is not like you will just solve the telegram PDF for one day and you will say okay, for this week I am done. No, daily compulsory you need to do the practice. I hope you watch my last video, that timetable, okay, the routine which you should follow to get selection in this recruitment, right? So you need to do daily. If you are feel bored or if you are not feeling to do study, still you need to do. This is the journey of computer exam only. Okay, it is not like if you feel bored then you will skip your study. No, you want selection and this is the fastest recruitment you are getting for this year. So just stay focused and be serious for it, right? So I hope you got the idea that in phase 3 majority of your time now will go to revision and minority time, like I can say 30% of your time you can give for syllabus completion and 70% of your time you can give for revision, that is practice and revising your notes continuously. Okay, so what is the period of your phase 3? So it will be 9th September, so you can start from tomorrow to 30th September. Okay, so 21 days you will get for preparation. Just try to complete all the syllabus whatever I will tell you. Now suppose if you are someone who are in phase 2 or you are completing the syllabus, take your time. Okay, in your phase 3 you try to complete phase 2 plus phase 3, because in phase 3 now we don't have that much chapter. In phase 2 lots of chapter was there. Okay, so first in aptitude, which chapter are pending now? Mixture and allegation, okay, that you will do. Partnership and data interpretation. So already I told you the resources, books and everything in the previous videos. I will not repeat it. I will keep this video very short. Okay, daily telegram PDF for DI, APT and assignment, compulsory practice that thing. Okay, IBPS level also and basic level also, so that you will get the idea from our daily telegram PDF. Plus blockwise strategies going on chapter wise, so that also will be help you. Then in reasoning now we will focus on analytical part, which includes statement and conclusion, statement and assumption, cause and effect. Okay, rest of the part like coding, decoding, analogy, classification, dice and clock and calendar you need to do. Okay, obviously these 3 chapters daily you need to practice through our telegram PDF or blockwise strategy, no problem in that. Dice and clock and calendar we will complete in your phase 3. Then in English now, reading comprehension most important, and for this no special preparation is required, only our telegram PDF. Okay, so 80% weightage is there for your telegram PDF and 20% weightage is there for your blockwise strategy for reading comprehension. So just do that. Okay, mock test वगैरह I will announce soon, no need to worry for that. For now focus on your preparation. Okay, mock test वगैरह we will discuss later. And vocabulary I hope you are daily doing through our telegram PDF. No other thing is required. Don't waste your time here, just telegram PDF are enough. In GS now we are targeting geography. Okay, try to complete a geography from the same previous resources whatever I told you. Just use that to complete the syllabus of geography. And for current affair we will take now August month current affair. So till now July month and August month you will complete it so far. Okay, September month also you can do side by side. So August plus September you can do. Otherwise September month you can take it later. Okay, or do one thing, that side by side do September also, right? Already August month magazine is there with you guys. September month magazine also you will get in your success pack, so just refer that. That's it, right? So this is all about your phase 3. Now mock test schedule and everything I will discuss in later videos. Till then subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, any doubt, then you can comment down below in this video. All the best.